In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename a tab group on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab up at the top, and then go down and select where it says Show Sidebar. You can also tap the up arrow key, Command, and L key on your keyboard as well. And then on the left side, a tab group should appear. Whatever the tab group name is you want to rename, just double click on it. It should become editable text at this point, and you just type in a new name, for example, and that's all you have to do. And you can just hide the sidebar up at the top to hide it, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.